Hi guys, welcome back to Knowledge to Reality YouTube channel. In this video I show that top smallest things in this world. Before starting the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more informative video. Let's start. Number 5. Swiss minigun. The Swiss minigun is a double action ruler and has all the same features as are the found in rear size gun. The 6-shoot ruler fires the 2.3 caliber 1.97 Crown bullets, which are made by the same company, and even produce a tiny liter kick as it shoots these tiny liter bullets at a muzzle velocity of around 400 feet per second. Even the slowest, smallest projectile can injure or kill if placed properly. The Swiss minigun is the smallest gun in the world. Number 4. Rabo-Bee drone. The Rabo-Bee drone is directly inspired by insect biology, and it has many interesting potential applications. Behaved just spring. For instance, it's easy to imagine swarms of robots beings being very useful in HISA drones environment assessment, say in the aftermath of a nuclear plant accident or natural disaster, or in search and rescue situation. Robostatic at Harvard, where the Rabo-Bee was developed, also see them for apps being used in weather and traffic monitoring, climate mapping, and other such already technologies that the drones could further improve. Number 3. Smallest jet aeroplane. From the late 19th century to mid 19th century, the BADE Aircraft Corporation, a small company led by US plane designer James Baird, manufactured a kit for a small aircraft that sold over 5,000 units. This craft, the BADE BD-5J, is likely to remain the smallest jet-powered aircraft in the world, weighing just over 350 pounds, since the company discontinued due to its bankruptcy. Only a few hundred of the kits were completed, but they are remarkably sound, fully functional jet planes capable of speed up to 483 km per hour. This aircraft were popular in 18th century in air shows. Number 2. Smallest personal computer. ASUS VivoStack Technologies has brought to market a personal macro computer. ASUS VivoStack, fully functional PC capable of running Android operating systems. Specification: 1.2 GHz dual-core ARM main processor and a 1 GHz quad-core ARM graphic processor with 1 GB of RAM memory. Add a macro SD card slot capable of supporting up to 64 GB of storage. ASUS VivoStack will load it for you with Ether operating system, and it also picks Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and full 1080p HD video output. A keyboard mouse combo can easily be connected to its macro USB port. The price of ASUS VivoStack smallest personal computer is $200 only. Number 1. Smallest artificial heart. Finally, we have this little device created by Dr. Robert Jarvik, the man money credited that the invention and perfection of the artificial heart, and that exactly what that battery-side device is, the world's smallest artificial heart for world's smallest artificial heart patients. In May 2012, with nothing to lose, the doctor proceeded to remove the infected heart and replace it with the device in the image above.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is